Welcome back. Now we have a user API having CRUD operations. Now we are going to change its database to a MongoDB. First, we need to have a MongoDB. Therefore, I am using mlab to create a hosted MongoDB. Mlab is a hosted MongoDB platform. There we can create MongoDBs free and paid. I'm going to use a free database and we can create account in mlab freely. Then MongoDB deployments, create new. Now we have to select cloud provider we need. I'm using Google Cloud Platform and I'm creating sandbox free and select region. Database name. I will give it as Spring Boot Basic. It's totally free. Now I have created new database. Now we need to create a user to access that database user. I will create user called demo and password for. Now I have created a database and a user for accessing that database. Now we have to do these changes. First, we'll change POM XML. In dependency, previously we had used JPA. Now we are going to remove this. We had used MySQL connector. We are going to remove this as well. Now we are adding a dependency. That is MongoDB Spring Boot starter to the MongoDB dependency. That is, the changes need to be done in POM XML. Now we are going to change user repository interface. Previously, we extend this from CRUD repository interface. Now we are going to change it to Mongo repository. For this import is not necessary, and now we are using this from the latest dependency that we have added. That is the change for user repository. We have to change user class. Here previously here it was integer. Now when we are using MongoDB, normally ID is a string. Therefore, I'm using string here. We have to remove this entity annotation. This part we are going to import this, but not the previous one. New will be imported. That is from Spring Framework data annotation ID. Then we are going to change the data type of ID to string. Then we have to change this setters and getters. We will generate them. Code generate setters and getters for ID. Those are the changes that we had to do in user module class. Finally, we have to change application properties class. Sorry, application.properties file. Resources, we have application properties file. Instead of these 4 properties, now we need only one property which has the database connection details. I have missed one thing. We have to do some changes in user controller class as well. In user controller, we get some errors, compilation errors for this ID. This need to change into string. So here also need to change into string. Change this to string. those are the changes we have to do for converting this API into MongoDB. Let's check whether it is running properly. It successfully started. I'm going to test it from using a Osman tool as we did earlier. Let's check for get request for this. Yes, it's giving hello world text. Check user. Going to be a post request. Successfully created. We'll do a get request. Returning all the users. We'll do a get by ID request. We'll do a put request to update it. Body we will change it to test user 2. It is updated to verify. Let's get request. Yes, now it is user 2, and we'll do a delete request. Okay, and we'll do a get by ID 1. Now that user is not found because it is deleted. Yes, we have successfully converted this API uh, into a database MongoDB for our API. Those are the resources I have used in this video. I will add these links in the video description, and the final code uh, link will be in the description, and it is in the GitHub repository. It has branches as explained here. Each step code has in a separate branch. For example, step 1 in the step 1 branch. Mm, then thank you very much. Please subscribe my YouTube channel to get notified about our new video tutorials.